At first glance, it's hard to understand what's happening. You might even wonder, is this really possible? While watching, Rivaro egg laying emerged as an almost flawless placement technique that eliminates the need for concrete pouring, formwork installation, and heavy excavation. In this system, structural elements are positioned like a special core dropped into the ground, creating a self-locking form around them. The most surprising part is the speed. Forget the noise, heavy molds, and tons of concrete you're used to on construction sites. Here's a quiet but incredibly clever revolution. The Tayfoam concrete forms makes the heaviest part of the construction almost invisible. At first glance, it's hard to understand how such a lightweight system can be so durable, but as you observe, the picture becomes clear. The foam forms not only shape the concrete, but also control it from within. Heat loss is minimized, the walls breathe, and the structure gains unexpected strength. This time, the focus is entirely on speed. FastTube emerges as a system that virtually eliminates the concept of waiting in construction. In traditional methods, time simply melts away during measurement, alignment, formwork, and assembly. But here, things don't proceed as expected. Specially designed tube systems place everything, from the infrastructure to the load-bearing elements, with millimeter precision. Once installation begins, the process enters an irreversible flow. This time, we have a quiet but highly ambitious technology. Gertech foam cement transforms concrete from its familiar heavy, hard, and cumbersome state into something completely different. When first poured, it looks like an ordinary mixture, but as seconds pass, it reveals its true nature. Thanks to its foam structure, the concrete establishes a homogeneous balance within itself. Voids are controlled, and a surprisingly lightweight yet strong structure emerges. The most interesting part is its spreading behavior. The concrete doesn't force its way into the mold, it finds its own path. Now, this machine, which has just taken center stage, is a true display of power for those who don't tolerate imperfections in their flooring. The Top & Screed TS6000 works like a beast, closing the chapter on Fix It Later in concrete flooring. The moment the machine starts moving, the concrete no longer spreads randomly. It's controlled millimeter by millimeter. As the surface progresses, imperfections disappear, undulations vanish, and a nearly glass-like smoothness emerges. This time, the cameras are focused on a silent technology with effects that will last for many years. Eco-Spray Therm works like an invisible but game-changing move in construction. Once application begins, there are no classic insulation panels, no cutting or shaping, no gap filling. This special mixture, which expands the moment it contacts the surface in liquid form, completely covers the area, leaving no crack untouched. It doesn't matter if it's a wall, ceiling, or floor. Thermal bridges disappear, and energy loss is dramatically reduced.
To jest jedna spójna całość, bezszwowe to jest, nie?
Brick-A-Wood is an extraordinary system that single-handedly answers the question, is it possible to build a house without mortar? In the construction world, everyone watching pauses the moment the first piece is placed, because there's no cement, no adhesive, no waiting time. Specially cut wooden blocks interlock and rise together like a giant engineering feat. Each piece supports the next, and the structure gradually finds its own balance. What emerges at this point isn't a product, but truly controlled power. Maxit works like a system that focuses less on how fast we can do it, and more on how perfectly we can do it. The moment application begins, a strange harmony forms between the surface and the material. It's as if plaster or coating isn't being applied, but the surface is rebuilding itself. The most impressive part is the behavior of the layers. No sagging, no collapse, no need for subsequent corrections. Now we're turning the camera underground. Because DMX AG isn't capturing the visible work, but the unseen aspects that determine the fate of the structure. The moment this system is activated, the usual atmosphere of panic on the construction site disappears. Moisture, flooding, and underground leaks are no longer an uncontrollable threat. DMX AG's drainage and ground solutions work by virtually reading the behavior of the soil. Water doesn't flow randomly, it is directed. SmartBark siding transforms facade cladding from mere ornamentation into a living armor. At first glance, the natural wood texture catches the eye, but the real shock begins when you get closer. This cladding isn't just there to look good, it reacts to temperature changes, controls humidity, and constantly protects the surface against external elements. Rain, sun, wind. SmartBark transforms the facade from a passive surface into an active layer of defense. Harmon Curtain Wall emerges as a system that doesn't support the building, but rather gives it an identity. The moment the first panel is installed, the structure seems to breathe, because there's no wall closing it off. Instead, light, depth, and movement are invited in. Glass and load-bearing elements merge in such harmony that the building transforms from a rigid mass into a living organism. The most striking detail is its flexibility. Wind loads, temperature differences, and structural movements are not a problem for this system, but a natural part of the design. At this point, the first reaction when you look at the screen is usually the same. Is this really concrete? Like new concrete revives worn, cracked, and worn out surfaces as if time has been reversed. But this is not a classic repair. The old concrete is not scraped, demolished, or removed. The existing surface is, in a sense, awakened. The moment the special mixture is applied, the color, texture, and strength of the concrete begin to change visibly. Now the process is entirely shifting to digital intelligence. BIM printer is a striking technology that doesn't leave the project on paper, but brings it to life in the real world. The lines, measurements, and layers you see on the screen are not just data here. The moment the machine starts working, the digital model begins to become physical. Wall lines, gaps, transitions, and details are transferred to the ground with millimeter precision. The most striking moment is that second when the team stop and fall silent, looking at the ground, because the marking and measurement process, which normally takes days, is completed flawlessly in minutes. Perry SkyMax emerges as a system that completely changes the fate of working on high-rise buildings. Where cranes are limited and classic scaffolding is insufficient, this technology steps in, instantly changing the rules of the game. Once installed, the system virtually attaches to the facade and moves upwards with a fluid motion. For the workers, it feels as if gravity has relaxed somewhat.